Hey future millennials, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about how to grow on Instagram and Instagram daily updates. And today we're talking about what are Instagram guides, how to use them, and why should you use them. So now let's get the video started. So let's talk about what are Instagram guides, how to use Instagram guides, and why should you use Instagram guides. So first of all, let's talk about what are Instagram guides. Instagram guides is actually a new feature of Instagram where you arrange a set of photos in a blog like structure. Just think guides as a mini blog where you pick a set of photos and you arrange them in a blog like structure, a mini blog like structure, and you write the title and write a description about the post, and whenever a new followers come they can see your guide and they can see your old photos. So that's what an Instagram guide is. Now there are three types of Instagram guides, and now let me show you how to create a guide, and now at the end we will talk about why should you create a guide. So now let's open my phone. You need to do in order to create a guide is simply tap on the plus section at the top right hand corner, and at the bottom you can see guide, and after that you will see three types of guides: the places, the products, and the posts. So first of all, let's talk about places, and you can search for geotag locations, and by this you can create a traveling guide for your audience. And now for example, I like uh, Melbourne. So now just let it wait to load, and Melbourne. Yeah, just take the second one, and as you can see that these are all the photos that are tagged with Melbourne. And now we can take 2-3 photos of Melbourne, and let's just take one more. This photo is really nice, and after that this is going to be what the interface is going to look like, and this is going to be the cover photo with the man running in the background, and this is going to be the title for the guide, not for the post but for the guide. And say we can say health is wealth, or anything that you want. And over here, what is this guide is about, over here it means that you can write a summary about your guide, that what is your guide really about. And after that, over here you can change the photo, the title for for the first post, and then you can write something about that individual post. And if your followers want to learn more about the post, they can simply uh, tap on the post, and they can see more about the post. And that's all how you can create a guide for places or locations. But if you don't like the cover photo for any reason, you can just tap on the change cover photo, and over here you can simply take any photo that you want. And I have taken this one. You can take anyone, and that's actually going to be from your own gallery, a change cover photo. And I had these all photos in my gallery, I mean my post. These are all my posts, and you can, and after that when you will click on your gallery, you may have other photos, and but I like this one, so this is going to be my cover photo. And over here we can write anything for the title, and that's it. And after that, when you're gonna say next, make sure that you write everything, and after that you're going to be good to go to post a guide. And I don't want to post this guide because I already have my first guide. As you can see, this is the cover photo, and this is the title. I'm for the guide, like 13 reasons of the wonders of the sunset. And this is a bit summary that what is my guide all about. And I had about, I don't know, 13 posts, and the first post has a soul reviver and a bit of the for the post. And that's how you create a places guide. Now let's talk about how to create a products guide. So that was all about how to create guides on places and locations. So now let's talk about how you can create guides for products. First of all, I'll tell you that it's going to be a bit different than the places one, this is going to be really beneficial for those who have a brand and have a nice relationship with influencers or have a really nice community. Likewise, if you're a content creator who creates content for brands, is going to be a really nice feature. We have seen that the shopping tag have been recently added, and it seems though that you can use like the products you're selecting it from the shopping section of the Instagram app, and you must have seen a post with the little white circle on it and the product is tagged in the post. Yeah, as you can see that this is a post, and when you're gonna click on it you will see that refined leathers, and you can see that this is a guide, and what you need to do in order to have that product in your guide is, it seems like that you can add that product, or at least you can add that products photo to your guide, and you can create a shopping list or a wish list or something like that. There is a lot of creativity in it, like there is, you can put in a lot of creativity in it. And if you're an influencer, you can put in a set of brands you represent. For example, if you have a traveling page like I have, you can simply create a guide telling which are the top 5 lenses to use, and it works a bit different than the places one. First of all, you need to select the product from the account that from the brand, and then from the brand the product belongs to, and after that you click on the product to add it to your guide. And and now let me show you how you can do it. As I told you that first of all you need to search for the brand or the influencer. So next, let me just type in lenses, and over here you can see uh, a lot of products, and I can add them, but there's only one lens over here. You can do it in any niche you want, and the lenses are actually in my niche, so that's why I'm showing you lenses. If you have a dog page, you can do it in dog pages, that top 5 vitamins to give to you or something like that. And or if you have a car page, you can say that anything. You can say the top 5 leathers to use in cars, or top 5 keychains for your car key, something like that. And as you see that, as you guys can see that this camera is my uh, cover page, and this is going to be the title. Like I can say top 3 lenses to use, and this is going to be my title. And what over here I can tell an overview about my uh, what you say guide. And I can say that here are my top 3 lenses, sorry for the lenses that I use. Or you can add any as much as words you want, and you can add about as much as uh, photos you want. But like creating 10 or 15 are best, but for not for products. But if you want to create something else in the places one, it's great. And you can write anything about the like the features. It has a zoom capacity to 100K, okay, or something like that, 100 times. You can some, and after that you can just simply say next. And this is going to be the preview, and this is how your it's going to look like your guide. And everything else is same. You can change the title, you can change the cover photo, and everything else is same in it. And that was how you can create a guide for products. It's really different than the places one, but everything else is same. And now let's talk about how you can create a guide for posts. So now the last option, and which is the best feature for Instagram guide, is posts. In this feature you create a guide for your own post, and this is the best mode. As my old posts get a life, because that old posts that I used to post on my profile, like with 100 followers, I used to do a lot of research. And now when I have more than like 200 to 24k followers, 2400 followers, though that all posts are not seen by people, and that all posts are just lying over there and not doing anything. And that guide is the solution. This guides feature is the solution to it, as this guides post guide can give life to your old post. As new followers will come, they can check your guide. And like for example, I created a guide at 13 wonders of nature. I can create five posts that are really close to my heart. For example, this is the title, 13 wonders of the sunset. And there are some old and new photos. And and I remember that this was an old photo. And as you can see that this was posted on June 12th, and I started to like stopped posting on this page because I was not able to grow on Instagram. I was like only stuck on 120 followers. I wanted to grow till 1k followers, my first threshold, but I was unable to do that because I don't know why. But after that I watched some YouTube videos on how to grow to your first 1k followers. And and then I really easily grew to 1k followers. And if you want to know how you can create go from 0 to 1k in a month, because I will leave a link in the description below, where I talk about how you can reach that 1k followers or even more. So this is how this feature can give life to my old post. As if a new follower is scrolling through my guide, and if they like this post, they can go click on it to learn more, and they can simply like, comment and do so, and share, save anything. He can do anything that he wants. And the interesting thing about this feature is that you can either add your own photos, or you can add somebody else's photo by saving them. And let me show you what I mean. Like in the posts, like when we go on guide, in the post it says that recommend posts you create or saved. So that means that I can post a photo in this feature if I have saved somebody else's photo. Like you can see that I have not um, uh, like posted any single cat photo. And what if I want to like feature that them on my guides, I will save them. After that, when I want to create them in my photos guide, I will go to saved, and I will click the photo, and then they will come in my guide. This is how you create a guide with if you don't have the photo, but you want to like have the photo in that posts guide. And this will mean that people will end up in saving each other posts more. And the algorithm has changed, and algorithm gets really excited when somebody like saves a person's photo. And if you have not already know what are the algorithm changes and how to beat the algorithm, and you can surely check out my video where I talk about how to grow in a algorithm, how to grow on Instagram with the new algorithm, and why will it be more difficult to grow on Instagram with the new algorithm. For surely check that out. And this will mean that more people will save each other's posts if they want to like put them in their guide. And that saved one is also considered as a super like. And I have created a full video on that, and you can surely check that out. But before continuing, I just want to say that please subscribe to my channel and help me to reach the 1k subscribers, and liking this video for the YouTube algorithm. And everything else is really same. You can change the title, you can modify the channel cover, the background photo, or the channel whatever you say that, and you can do whatever with the title and the description. So that's how you create a guide for posts. And now let's talk about what are the advantages of using guides. But before that, where you can find and somebody's guide is just next to the reels option, and right over here. And that's how you find somebody's else say that when you're gonna create your first guide, I don't think so that Instagram will send any type of notification to your followers that you have created a guide. So what you can do is that you can post a story on your profile or on your profile saying that check out our first guide, and then you can do it, then you can have it as a highlight, because whenever a new follower will come, they can check your highlight that you have a guide, and that way that they can check out your guides. So now let's talk about why should you create guides. The first of all is that guides are going to be a really great way to like interact with your new followers, as their new followers will come to your page, that old posts are just going to go dead and nobody's going to see them. But guides are going to be a great way to interact with your new followers, as they're also gonna like be emotionally attached with your profile, and because they will see all those old photos. And bringing me to the next point is that by guides your old posts are going to get alive, because guides will put, as you will create a guide, the people will see your old photos, and when they will see your old photos, they can check it out, and they can give it a like, a comment, and whatever, and this way your old photos are not dead when they have a new life because of Instagram guides. And then last and which is actually the most important one is that people will save your post or each other's post more often, because people will like people want to like share your post to a guide, but they don't want to post it to their own page. They can just simply save your post, and by saving a post means that the algorithm is going to be excited that somebody saved your post, and the algorithm is going to push your post more, and which will result in giving you that reach and that followers. That way you will be happy. And if you don't know what is the new algorithm changes, the how to beat the algorithm, just check out this video, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Surely check it out, and it will really help you. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you got some value out of it, and how to create guides. And I hope that you create guides, and comment down below if you will create a guide after this. And now that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.